Hi, I'm Christy from Christy's Reviews and More. Today we're going to talk about Clean Screen. It's from Scotts Liquid Gold. So this Clean Screen is a great product to use on any big screen TV or any other screen that you have to clean. So I want to just touch base with a few features and uses of this product. So if we look here, you can tell it has no tap water, ammonia, or alcohol. Won't deteriorate, discolor, disharm your delicate surface. It'll leave no residue behind and does not streak or smudge and leaves a crystal clear screen. So, as you can see, other uses for this is you can use it on your computer monitor, laptops, HD TV devices, games, cell phones, iPads, iPods, camera lenses, and so much more. So it removes your fingerprints, sticky grime, on DVDs and CDs, which is great because we all know that we accidentally touch the bottoms of those CDs. And it cleans sunglasses, eyeglasses, without damaging the surface. So that's great for me because I use glasses. It's also safe for uses on tinted windows in cars. How awesome is that? So, to find more information about them, you can go to scottsliquidgold.com/clean-screen. You can also find them on Facebook and Twitter. So, I'm going to tell you just a little bit more about how to use this awesome product. So, it comes with two parts. Here's the solution and an awesome microfiber rag. So, the first one, the solution. It is formulated with RO solution, which is reverse osmosis. And so this removes the molecules of mineral deposits and impurifies smaller than water molecules themselves, which leaves nothing behind but a nice crystal clear screen. So then, just the microfiber rag itself. This synthetic suede microfiber cloth, you use that to apply the solution that's nice and soft, no lint, so it's lint-free, and it's highly absorbent and it dries up quick. So it cleans without scratching any of those delicate surfaces. The great part about it is it's washable and reusable. So you don't have to waste. So it's a pretty easy process. You want to, first of all, we're going to use my TV. So here's my TV, one of them, an old one in my bedroom. And we want to make sure that it's cool to the touch. So I haven't had mine on yet today, so it's nice and cool. So then the next step, because this is a smaller screen, I'm not going to need as much solution. So with smaller screens, you want to spray, just one spray. If you got a larger screen, like my large screen TV out in the front room, you probably want to get 2 to 4. So I'm going to spray one, oops, missed the cloth here. Spray one spray. Okay, so the cloth should be damp, but not soaked or saturated or really wet. So, next step, very easy. We're going to take this cloth and just wipe. And wipe. It'll take off any of those fingerprints. And if you have to, you can always repeat the process. Alrighty. And so that's the TV. And as you can see, nice and shiny. Even see a reflection. Get one little spot there. And it is clean. So then I'm going to come back out with the front room. I'm going to show you the large screen. And then I'll also show you what else you can do with it. Okay, so back to Clean Screen. So this is what we're working with, the 55-inch TV. Pretty large compared to the little TV in the bedroom. So this one's going to take a little bit more solution. So with this one, I would use the recommended 2 to 4 sprays. So I'm just going to go ahead, take my solution, put my microfiber cloth down, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all it takes. So then I'm going to take my cloth to my TV and then just wipe. No dust, no lint, no fuzz. Oops, there's a little bit of a spot there. And it's gone. One here. And we're going to go all the way over the TV. And here's my cloth after both the front room big screen TV and the bedroom. So here's another great product you can use Clean Screen on. Just the everyday use laptop. Now again, you're working with a smaller screen, so we're only going to use one spray. Whoops, I missed this cloth the first time here. So, we got a little bit of smudges, fingerprints. So, let's go ahead and clean it up. I'm going to clean it. Get all of those fingerprints off. Now this is my son's laptop, so when he comes home from school today, he's going to be like, oh, my screen is clean, Mom. And he'll be able to see out of it better. Alright, so we have now got a clean laptop screen. Now that was pretty easy, right? Told you it was an easy product to use. But that's not all it can do. If you're like me, I have got several electronics in the house. So let's take our Clean Screen and we're going to try it on something else. So, Clean Screen. Everybody has one of these, right? A cell phone. Well, mine is a touch screen, so you would not believe. Look at those fingerprints. Let's go ahead and apply our Clean Screen and see what happens. Small screen, one squirt. And bear with me here, I'm doing this one-handed here. Let me go ahead and clean it up. Now my phone has got a ton of smudges, so bear with me here. It's going to take a little bit to clean it. Very easy process. Let me go ahead and finish wiping. And look at that. Do you see the smudges anymore? No. So clean, you see a reflection. So, again, Clean Screen. You say TVs, computers, cell phones. What else can this amazing product do, right? Well, there's more. Let's check it out. I'll be right back with you. Let's go get something else to clean. Alright guys, I'm back with Clean Screen. So, what else can we clean? Look at this. So I rent from Netflix all the time. I don't know about you. Well, I rent a Dolphin Tale, but it sometimes, it can get kind of printed up. That's okay, because Clean Screen can be used to clean that fingerprints up so it'll play more smoothly and nicely in your player. What do? Easy step. We've got our cloth, we've got our spray. One spray. And now what do? We take our disc, we take our rag, and let's clean it up. And again, remember, this is a nice suede microfiber cloth. It will not scratch or damage. Now, keep in mind, the scratches that are on this disc are already from previous renters. So I'm just kind of cleaning up the prints so it'll play better in the DVD. Alright, we've got it nice and clean. And no prints. Nice shine. Look at that nice rainbowish reflection. Pretty, isn't it? Alright, so again, we're working with Clean Screen. Clean Screen can be used to clean every screen. Again, we've got flat screen TVs, computer monitors, cell phones, PDAs, PDPs, digital camcorders, video camcorders. So, you know, digital cameras and video cameras, excuse me. Navigation devices, MP3 devices, CDs, DVDs, cell phones, laptops, you name it. You got a screen to clean, Clean Screen can do the job. And it's easy.